पोरणे गोंयांत सेंट फ्रांसीस झेवियराच्या फेस्ताची तयारी थाटांत चल्ल्या। वर्स पद्दती प्रमाण दर वर्सा लाखांनी देशी तशेंच विदेशी भाविक ह्या फेस्ताक हजेरी लायतात। भाविकांच्या येवकारा खातीर आनी फेस्ताच्या परबे खातीर तयारी उत्सवान चल्ल्या, अशी माहिती फादर सावियो बरेटो हांणी दिल्या। आरडीएक्स खातीर पोरणे गोंयच्यान जोसेफ फर्नांडीस।
As usual, the Novenas, they start on the 24th of November and they end on the 3rd of December, is the feast day, the last day of the celebrations. And this year the theme we have kept is is a continuation of the theme of last year, on God's mercy, the merciful like the Father. So we have chosen a theme which is inspired by Saint Francis Xavier. Also, this novena will be also talking about focusing on Father Agnel, he too has been a son of Goa, and he also has been an instrument of God's mercy to many thousands of people during his time. We have a lot of spiritual preparation going on. Regarding the material preparation, we are putting up a big pandal now. The work is going on, a huge thing. This year we have increased the size also because we are expecting a bigger crowd, and the other works are going on still. Preparing the parking areas, preparing the places for the people to stay when they come here, the pandals, the electrification, then the sanitation, which the government is working on a war footing now.
What about the security of this place?
Security, we have spoken about the security we had a meeting with the collector, and the collector has promised that there will be a good security this time, and I have been insisting on that security be tight at this place. There are two types of pilgrims. One, the local pilgrims that who come from different parts of Goa, both Catholics, non-Catholics, all for those people will be providing, basically they only need a mobile toilets. So about 20 to 25 mobile toilets will be provided at this spot for them. And also we have other toilets here, new blocks which will be opened. So we'll be having adequate toilet facilities. Drinking water facilities also will be there at least 5 to 10 places. We'll be keeping drinking water. The people coming from outside, for them we are putting up a big tent behind the basilica, in front of the panchayat, like usual. A big tent will be put up, and they'll be provided facilities to stay for the night, to keep the luggage, to stay there.
They have to cook, or you will be providing?
No, they'll have to cook and eat. Cooking facilities are not there, as usual. The main celebrant will be this year is a son of Goa, a pillar bishop, Theodore Mascarenhas, the Archbishop of Ranchi. So he'll be the main celebrant this year. So he's just been appointed as a new bishop, and basically the masses start in the morning at 6. We have 6, the first mass, then 7:15, 8:15, 9:30, 10:30. 10:30 is the last mass of the morning session, and evening we start at 3:45, 3:45, 5:15, and 6:15. 6:15 is the English mass, and feast day masses are starting from 4 o'clock, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then 9, then 10:30 is the big feast mass. Then we have mass at 12 o'clock, and evening 4, 5, and 6. The last mass of the Novena and feast.
How you are in Old Goa? How did you come to know about this?
We saw it in the book that we've got, just like a tourist book, and it's about visiting Old Goa, and then we're going into Panjim afterwards, and yeah, we've just got here.
You will be attending the novenas and the feast?
Yes. Yeah.
You especially come for this?
No, just happens to be on.
So you are going to take part in the novenas and the feast?
We think we will do, yeah, if we have time.